Alright guys, so today I'm working on the GTI again, and I've cleaned up the engine bay just a little bit. Transmission's clean, blah blah blah. I'm going to be changing out this downpipe today. Before I can do that, you can see I've got a pretty big mess of parts and trash and crap piled up by the GTI. So I'm going to be cleaning this up a little bit, and then I'm going to remove that downpipe and everything and get this one mounted on there before I put the motor back in. So yeah, I'm gonna get to it. So as I kind of expected, those bolts are so rusted that they're on there extremely tight, and the bolts just stripped out as I tried to loosen them. So it's time for a little sawzall action after I talked to my buddy that just pulled up. We finally got the exhaust out after a little bit of cutting with the reciprocating saw and the angle grinder, and a little cursing and things of that sort that you deal with the exhaust. But she's out of there. I got the V-band clamp on the new downpipe, and I pretty much just have to take this little mount off right here, put it onto the new downpipe, and then just mount it back up. Pretty simple, straightforward. I did end up taking off that little skid plate underneath the bottom, just a couple bolts anyway, so I could get to the plug for the downstream O2 sensor, so that I could screw that into this pipe without the wire twisting and binding and all that good stuff. So going to put this new sensor in, put that mount on, and then start mounting it back up. Alrighty guys, and that's pretty much it for the downpipe install. Like I said, you just got these 13mm bolts on either side of this exhaust mount here. Just take those off of your old one, or just take those bolts out and then take that mount off with a rubber mallet or whatever. Just pry it off there, swap that mount onto the new downpipe. Like I said, I went ahead and took these little crossbar braces off to get to everything a little bit easier, and that way I didn't have to jimmy the exhaust out of the way of those little bitty bars and all that crap. So I've got this back mount here still to put on, and I've got to get some new clamps for that exhaust clamp there. But yeah, I mean, that's pretty much it. So I'm gonna wrap it up for this video, but yeah, I'll see you in the next one, where I'll probably be doing the install of the motor finally. But I gotta run to the store real quick, get those clamps for the exhaust back there, and that's pretty much it.